we're over here. Okay, right there.
If I were you.
No, that'd be better. That's fine. Okay, so we're right here basically. All right.
Yeah,
We got those 4 moving up on the right. Okay. Now, I figure if we send one man at a time up front, Christian lightweight can run out of the way. We don't want to send our heavy gunners up yet because if they see us coming, then we can't get out of the way in time. Christian, you're lightweight and you can duck down and get out of the way quickly.
You and Daniel seem to be the lightest, to be honest.
And Daniel too. So.
Sorry about that.
All right. So, who wants to volunteer? Me and Nick are out of the question. We got heavy guns.
I'll volunteer.
You want to go?
Isn't he like the only other one here other than me?
Okay.
Well, I mean, you two could.
All right. So you move up to cover up there. All right. And if you find like an area where we can all get into, you just like signal us on. Okay. All right.
Guns on. You can take point, I guess.
All right.
And he just stepped in another cow. He's being hit. So move up. He's far away.
All right.
Let's see what heck.
Three, two, one. I have no idea where anybody else is. I just.
One in tower, maybe 2, and then there's a couple in the bunker below.
Okay. Ready? Ready to.
Tell me when. I'll light that tower up.
Hang on. Whenever you're ready. Hey, I'm gonna radio Christian.
I have one coming back now.
Okay, then we're not moving. Christian, where are you? Over.
No idea. Do you guys know there?
Christian, do you copy? Over.
Copy.
Where are you guys?
They're looking to rush in.
The APC is right in front of us. Over. The APC is right in front of us. Over.
Got it.
Nick's on the other side of the bank, and I'm still about 5 feet behind him. I know. This is an issue.
Man, APC's down. Let's clear that base.
All right.
Two-man team.
Hey, I got a frag.
Clear everything.
I got a frag. You want it in there?
All right. Yeah. Let's clear all the passageways.
All right.
Let's not. Let's clear everything. Two-man teams.
Yeah.
Two-man teams. Don't go in by yourself. Clear that shit.
I'm like this guy.
All right. Where do you want the frag? What?
You get a frag. There's a door entrance on the left-hand side and the right-hand.
Okay.
Frag that left-hand side.
Don't
let
this
guy
go by himself. Get in there.
I'm taking orders.
I didn't see him kill this guy. There's a guy right in there.
Is he in there? Where's... Frag! Christian, it is absolutely crucial when the tank comes by, you stay hidden. Because we're, okay, Nick, tell him the plan.
So stay low, because.
And if we do, then I'll run up with you.
Yeah, I think we have 4 grenades spread out just right in here. So we're gonna try to take it out. Position, eyes on, got it. Moving in right here.
3 plus 4, 4 plus foot mobiles behind it. 5.
Backing on it. He's coming from our right.
Right side, right side! It's coming, oh no.
Better get down.
He is down, he's back there. Yeah, that's working out well. Down, get down.
That's the gun port. That's the gun port.
I got the guy in the turret, by the way. Nick.
That was fun.
Camera is rolling. Mobile's moving in. Right at my 12.
I see him. Right side, right side. Moving to the middle. Okay, he's out. Left side, left side, left side.
Moving around left! Moving around left!
Straight, nitro! Out.
Stay sharp, Wes!
12 o'clock, 12 o'clock! Oh, you know it.
Moving up, 12 o'clock! Tangos! 12! No visual! Right 12, tangos! Uh-oh.
Oh, come on.
Right side, right side! Moving up the highway!
Right side, moving up.
Moving up!
I know, I got two guys walking here.
Get range on this guy. You got him?
I got him. You can.
Moving up on our forward.
He's behind a tree.
Yeah, I can't get him. He's got range on me though. Keep eyes on him. I can't hit him.
Okay. Ah, so much debris. Oh, I'm out. I gotta reload. Hang on, cover me.
Whoa, 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 down, down, down. Far left! Far left! Right at my 9! Daniel, you're 9. Moving up, center, left!
Crap.
Jam. Matt, get up here. You can get a shot at this guy. Moving through the smoke. 2 foot mobiles. I said jam. 60 sound. It's just the main gun. Foot mobile.
Moving up, straight ahead. Got him. You got him. Good shot. Good shot.
One down. Foot mobiles moving up behind the APC.
Moving up. Far right. Far right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Moving up right. On the right. Far right. Far right.
They're forming up behind it. 60 line active. Main gun's active. We have 60 line firing. We got 2 foot mobiles behind. 2 watch our front. Someone watch our front.
I got it. Don't worry. I can see you.
We got grenades up here. I count 5 foot mobiles. 5 behind the APC. Moving around front. Guns on, guns on. Boy, I'm just as talkative in a hockey game.
Hey guys, keep the left open. Keep watching that side. Whoa.
It honked at us. Moving up. Foot mobiles behind. Moving up on the right. Left side.
Woo!
APC moving in.
APC, watch out. Oh, God. No kidding.
Gun down the 60. Gun down the 60 someone.
I can't. Hang on.
Hey, foot mobiles, far left. Hey, flag, this is your hour. Frag out! Frag out! APC down!
Get on it. Get.
Frag out! Frag out! APC down!